Hello, my name is Daniel and today I have a big day again. I have a lot of packaging over here. Let me show you. Just a lot of them. There are a lot, yes. And let's start with one. So yeah, we're gonna take it one by one and we're gonna see what it's inside. So let's take this bad boy here. Let's take this knife here, cut it away, throw the bag, sorry. And oh, we have a mini CCTV camera from BangGood. I ordered before, I think so, I have it somewhere here. Let me find it out. Oh yeah, it's right here. I ordered this one before. I don't know if my camera focusing here. No, doesn't want at all. I ordered before this one. It's so small, tiny, and very good. The picture it's great. Also come with 4 wires over here, but me I cut them all 4 and I just put 3 wires. Just the positive, negative, and the signal wire. Also have a microphone over here. You can see I have a microphone over here, but I don't use it and I don't take it out until now. But anyway, so let's put it away and let's just open this bad boy here. The model is 205 mini CCTV camera. It's anti-AC. Screw bits and pieces. So let's open it. And nothing inside, so just empty box. Here we have the manual for this camera, manual book. This is the manual. If I can make a little bit darker here. Yep. This is the manual for 205 600 TVL 0.5 lux PAL NTFS 30 frames per second. They say over here audio auto white balance, yes, it's a great picture. Audio in out, yes for all the models except those two in the last. Be careful with the power because the power is between 3.3 volts and 5 volts. So if you have a transmitter like mine inside, a big one, I don't know what is the name exactly right now, and it's providing mine 11 volts, almost 12, so don't put it straight away there because you're gonna fry your camera, and I'm sorry for you that it's your mistake, so be careful with that. You can connect it straight away on the fly controller because have 5 volts over there in the board. You have to find a spare pin there. I'm gonna show you just right now when I'm gonna make a test for this one. In the back they say how to connect the camera and blah 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 and blah blah blah. So yes, let's take it out and let's take a look. Come on, yes, just right here. It's so tiny. Come on, look at this, it's so tiny. Compare with this one, it's so tiny. But anyway, this is good. I ordered another one because I need it for another quad, and also the another one I use it for something else right now, but I just put it over there. So yeah, let's chop this wire. let's chop this wire and let's connect something. I think so it's much better like this. I'm gonna take those wires from here and I'm gonna put it straight away on this one, the new one, and we're gonna put it in my quad and gonna see the life of this camera. Let me bring my iron over here next to me. So let's take out all the wires and let's connect the wires back, the new one. Okay, I take the wire from my old camera. So let's take these wires out from here, one by one. Positive, signal, ground, the microphone. This is the microphone. The white wire is for microphone. I have it on my transmitter, my microphone, so I don't need this one. I don't put a wire, but I just leave the microphone over here in case, maybe, who knows, I will gonna need it. So now let's put a red wire. Signal wire. The last one is the negative, the black one. Now, because everything is on the place. Yes, okay. Let's take the quad. How I'm gonna connect this one? Take the wire out from my camera. And yes, let's connect it with the OSD. So we have here, down it's minus, it's a, sorry, it's a signal, that's the ground, yeah, it's there. Now let's find the spare of 5 volts on my quad, on the flight controller over here. I find one, just right here. Just right there. Now let's take the camera and put it away from the cables and everything like this. Let's take the monitor. We have one just right here. So let's take the battery. Oops. Oopsie. I have a DIY just for testing. My camera is here. Get out. So let's power up this monitor. Yes, we have some blurry things inside there. Now let's power up the quad. Yeah! What's wrong with this? Ooh, it's getting hot. Why? What's wrong with this camera now? It doesn't work. So the OSD it's working, but the camera is doesn't working. Let's take it out. Wow, it's hot. Wow, what's going on with this camera? What's wrong with this camera, man? The wires, they are in the place. There's nothing wrong over there. Focus. No. What's wrong with this right now? So let's put my camera back. Let's see. Okay, where is my, take out the quad, take out the battery, put it over here. Let's take the wires up because this camera doesn't go, so I take your time for nothing. Okay, so let's continue with this camera now. Okay, let's put it back over here one by one. That's the red. Don't move. That's the signal. And that's the ground. But a little bit work with the ground. Okay. Now let's put this camera on the quad. So again, we find out here the OSD. Just right there. In the other side, 5 volts. Yeah, it's happening. Why not? Not everything is perfect. That's 5 volts over there. Yes. Now let's take the camera out from the cables and let's put it again. And voila! We have a picture. How you can see there we have a picture. Look at that. Just right there. See? There's a picture over there. Okay, it's not focusing inside there, but there is a picture. So let me frame it here under my GPS and let's take a close look on this one. If we can do that. Yeah, we know. The battery is dying and is doing noises. Why? So this is the picture. It's clear. It's so clear. It's not focusing my camera now there, but that's the picture inside there. Oh, I drag everything here. So how I can say, it's clear, crystal clear. This camera, it's working perfectly. I'm sure you're gonna be explanation from BangGood on. I'm gonna send them this video because the camera it's brand new. Oh. I just take it out from the box a couple of seconds ago and doesn't work. We're gonna connect again the cables, but it's getting hot here. I don't know why. And very hot. Don't know why it's going on like this. So yeah, anyway, this is the camera from BangGood. Yeah, this maybe it's a bad camera. I don't know exactly. Maybe I don't know. But anyway, the camera it's great. It's working perfectly. How I can tell you, and I see, you can see from here it's crystal clear, and it's good for FPV. And it's so small. It's tiny. It doesn't have a much weight. You know, it doesn't take much weight in your quad. Just couple of grams. I'm not sure exactly how many grams. I have a scale right here. 2 grams. So that's why the 2 grams. I think it's 3 with the cable. Yeah, 3 grams with the cable. So what I can say, I just received a bad camera, but not problem. You can order it from BangGood. I'm gonna put a link in the description. It's a great camera. Yes, it's happening. Even me, even you are not perfect. So yeah, I don't mind about that. It's all the time it's happening to receive something or it doesn't work, but I don't have a problem with that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.